Hey everyone, how's it going? It's time for another exciting dinosaur video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Becklespinax from Jurassic World Chaos Theory. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Becklespinax, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to curve it back. Next, we're going to make a little circle shape for the eye. And we're going to make a couple little lines right around the eye. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down right around the eye for like the eyebrow ridge. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a broken line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down. I'm going to bring this down and up and down. We're going to bring this line down and then out here for like a big mouth. We're going to curve this back. Then we're going to go down and we're going to bring this up. And we're going to curve this around for the jaw. We'll make a curve here and some more curves. Then let's fill this mouth up with some teeth. We're going to make some smaller teeth here, and then we're going to make them bigger towards the middle and then a little smaller again. Same thing here, comes some kind of smaller ones and then some bigger ones and then smaller ones. We're going to make a line that's going to curve down and up and back in for the tongue. And we're going to curve a line here and another one so we can see the other side of the mouth. For the nose, let's kind of color in a little dot and then bring it down. And then let's draw a little bit of a line down here. Now, we left this kind of broken line up here, and the reason we did that is because we're going to make these kind of like spiky plates on here. So we're going to make some lines that are just going to go over and then down, kind of like little shark fins. And we're going to put these all the way across the top of our Becklespinax's head. Next, let's bring this line down. And then we're going to make a few curves right here for the neck. Then we're going to bring this line down, and another line is going to come down and up for like the front of the chest. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. Then we're going to make another one that's going to curve down like this. We're going to bring this over, and then we're going to make some sharp claws on here. Then we're just going to connect this down. We'll curve a line down. Then we're going to bring this up. We're going to make a sharp claw here. We're going to make one here. And then we're going to make one kind of come back here. Bring this in and then up to here. We're going to make some curved lines right around here. And then we're going to make some extra little lines right here. Next, I'm going to make a few lines down here to kind of make it look like there's like some wrinkles. And then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down here for the back. I'm going to curve this line around for the stomach. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and back like this. And we're going to bring this line down for the leg. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down to a point for one of the claws. And another one here. I'm going to curve this up, draw a line, and then make another sharp claw over here. Bring this line up and in here. And then we're going to curve this line out and another one here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. Bring this line down, and we're going to make a claw that's going to come down here, and then one more here. Then another one right here, and we're going to bring this line back. We're going to curve it up to here. Let's make some curved lines on these claws here. And then we're going to make a couple little lines coming back here for the tail. And then we're going to make this line kind of curve around. We're going to bring this back nice and skinny, and then we're going to start up here, and we're going to bring this around to here. Now, let's make the spikes on the back. So the first thing is we're going to add just a couple little like spikes that are going to get bigger and bigger right along the neck here. And then right here, we're going to make some spikes. We're just going to get these a little bit bigger as we go up. And then we're going to start making them a little bit smaller as we come back down. We're going to put another small one here, and a little small one here. And then we're just going to make kind of like a bumpy, kind of rigid line that connects each one. Then we're going to put some spikes going right down the tail here. So we're just going to make these little spikes going right down the tail. I'm going to put some broken lines kind of right here where the ribs are. And then that's our basic drawing of the Becklespinax. Now we want to come in here and add some of the different details. So we're going to make some lines that go right around the nose and around the front of the face and around the lips here. Kind of curve a line here and make a couple more lines around the eyes. We're going to kind of make a curved line or two just to kind of show where that indentation is where a lot of these big predators have. We're going to put some little kind of broken lines down the neck. A line here. We're going to put a broken line here and a couple lines here. We're going to put some curved lines here right around the claws. And a couple more little kind of broken lines right around here. We're going to do some lines here and a couple lines on the toes here. Do some more lines around the body and then a couple kind of little wrinkle lines right here. We'll do some more lines on here. And we're going to do some broken lines right up along the tail too. We're going to do some lines up here. And just some more lines kind of right around the head, kind of all different spots. Just basically wherever you want to add some texture. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Becklespinax. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.